Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I will pause your recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, gonna go for a put here at 42.50, although I might be a little late to that. I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I'll link you to a free class I put together called the Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through the terminology, how they all work. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people get freaked out when they hear options. And don't be wrong, they can be made complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. Okay, I'm in there. Whoops. What did I say? I got in at 40. Okay, so in there at 42.50 for a put, meaning I now want to see the price go down. I was not really paying attention. I got filled. So let's see what it wants to do here. See if I can get one at 40.50. I got that. So out there for $100 on that one. Very good start to the morning. I was recording, wasn't I? I was. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 41. Oh, too slow. Let's go down to 39.20 now at this point. I could still probably try 41. Yes, I am talking to myself. Like I said, the opener, this is truly live. This is not a voiceover. I'm not doing this with hindsight. And there, oh, all right. Well, hindsight, I should have been more aggressive. I should have just held at 41 because quite the pullback here, but all right, well, that's just how it goes. Yes, there we go. There's kind of a big gap right here, so that kind of throws off the proportions on things. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 43.50. Did not fill me. Well, it was close, but not quite close enough. All right, I will pause. All right, gonna go for $42.50. Got that at 42. That being a call. Does not want to take me out at, okay, well. So $20 on that one. So I went into loss control mode. Loss control mode does not mean necessarily that you're going to take a loss, but it means that, you know, for my strategy, you got to accept, and then I realize in hindsight, no, I take that back in hindsight. Okay, I got to stop talking right now. What is that? $65, yeah, I do like 65 right there. But does not mean that you're going to take a loss, but it does mean that you have to accept less. And it could be very well be a loss, but it doesn't necessarily mean that. And you have an example right there. So was going for a quick $50, did not work out. Still walked away with $20. So a failed trade, but not a totally failed trade, just failed in respect to what I was actually going for. So that's how my strategy works. Go into loss control mode, and which just, like I said, doesn't automatically mean a loss, but sometimes, yeah, it definitely is a loss, but in this situation it was not. I like down there around 526.65, so if we can get another pullback, that could certainly be an interesting area. I'll keep a close eye on it, but I will pause for now. Have an order at 38 here for a put. I'm watching that number right there. I want to see that drop down to 38 and then go slightly below, which would turn that white order green. So white means I've submitted an order to the market, but white also means that I have not been able to purchase. When I'm able to purchase, though, white turns to green. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 38.70, and I'm in at 38.70 for a put. I'm not a fan of this action at all. Why is it so choppy? Oh, that's why. It's about 10 o'clock. Oh, just got bailed out. Things are about to get spicy here. Oh, wow. Totally lost track of the time. 10 o'clock, there's news. I was wondering, why is this trading so goofy all of a sudden? Woo! Glad I got out there. Totally lost track. There was a economic news event that was happening at 10. It was 9:59 in some seconds. And if you scroll back, you'll notice that over here it just got really goofy trading. And it just, okay, just maybe that's experience speaking, but one of those situations where why is it doing? All right, something's not right. Let me just get out. But yeah, I needed to get out just because it was, and I would have been roasted right there. Wow. Now that was just pure, well, no, not pure luck. There was some experience there because something wasn't right, so I just got out. But little did I know that it was the news. So I'm glad that I noticed that. But yeah, shame on me. I should not have even been close to that trade given the time, knowing that it was going to be 10 o'clock and that, as you can see here, I mean, that would have been not a pleasant experience to be part of that. Well, I'm glad I captured that on video, though. That's kind of the, that's where kind of just instincts come into play. Unfortunately, yeah, some of that can be taught, but some of it is just, you got to just get experience watching and getting in tune with the markets. But wow, avoiding that could have been, yeah, that would have been real nasty. So it was there at 20. Yeah, it went up basically over $1. Yeah, whoo. And I'm just trying to think how to explain it. But if you just look over here, things just got, yeah, I can't even explain it. Just got really goofy. It all of a sudden did not seem right at all. So that's why I was like, let me just go into loss control mode. Again, loss control mode did still yield a $10 gain. But wow, that feels like a huge gain though, in terms of, penny saved is a penny earned. All right. Well, I'm actually in a weird way excited about that because that's a very good example of why you got to pay attention to the economic calendar. Have an order at 39.20, but I'm going to move that to 38.50 now. Or excuse me, 38.20. So I'm at 38.20 for a put. I'm going to go to 37.50 now. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 37.20. Once again, got close. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 38.20 for a put. Nope, did not fill me, so we got to go to 37.70 now instead. In fact, I'm going to change strike prices here. There we go. Let's go to 40.50. There we go. All right, let's see if this thing wants to keep on pushing up a bit more. I will pause. Have an order at 42.70. In at 42.70 for a call. And out for $50 on that move. We'll go down to 40.70 now. Let's go 40.20. Throw an order out there. And I'll try to buy this pullback once again. So 40.70, next entry point. I will pause for now. Have an order at 39.20. Nope. Not going to play that game as it just pauses right above where I'd want to get filled. So I'm going to go down a little bit more to 38.20. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Whoa, in at 33, I don't even know what happened. In at 33.50, out at 33.90, because that was just a wild movement. So this wants to make another wild jump upwards. I'll be ready at 34.50, which is definitely far away. But like I said, that last move just jumped, filled me. I don't even know if I captured the entry point on video, but I was out. Just went for $40 on that one because this one's getting a little squirrely, and even it's feeling like $50 is even kind of a challenge to get. Now, granted, in hindsight, I would have been perfectly fine to get more on that one, but that is all hindsight. But if this thing wants to make another jump to the upside, now if I could fill it on some sort of snappy jump, then I'm definitely going for $50, if not more. But we'll see. We'll see if it wants to make another push to the upside. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, it is 11 a.m. Eastern time, 90 minutes in, and I'm just going to go ahead and call it good. If you're new to the channel, usually I'm looking to be done after at most, absolute most, 2 hours, and I want to make at least $100 per hour in order to consider it worth my time. This is just a side hustle for me. I have many streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. So I call this a side hustle because, I got a lot of other things going on, and I do this not because I want the Lamborghini or the private jet. Obviously what I made here is not going to accomplish that. But we're at my stage in life, a father of 6 kids. I want the freedom of time. I want to be able to do what I want with my time. So if that's go hang out with them, if that's work on my real estate investing, work on the teaching business at claytrader.com, which you should check out, claytrader.com, then I want the freedom to be able to go and do those things. Now, if you do want the Lamborghini, if you do want that private jet, go for it. I hope you get that. I hope you accomplish your goals. But like I said, for where I am in life, I'm happy just with the freedom of time. And if I can make well over $100 per hour, because I'm up 220 with commissions, let's call it 210. So $210 in 90 minutes. I don't know, for a math wizard, what is the hourly rate? Put that down below in the comment section. I will take that all day long. So very pleased with that. And I'm just going to move on with my day. So thanks for watching. Take care. And definitely made a rookie mistake here. That'll probably be the title of this video, a rookie mistake. But gladly, my gut instincts were kicking in. Or for you, comic fans, my spidey sense kicked in, and I was able to get out before what could have been a very, very nasty move. But that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these, hit that like button, and go again. If you want to learn more, go to claytrader.com, and I do offer a free live class. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to talk about that right now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.